A suspect in a recent human smuggling case in Sonoita had a pretty extensive rap sheet, according to U.S. Border Patrol. U.S. Border Patrol says they found 3 Mexican citizens hidden in the back of that truck under a cover. And record checks showed the driver had an extensive criminal history, including attempted murder back in 2004 and dangerous drug violations in 2016. Now, the driver and the 3 undocumented migrants now face charges, including human smuggling and illegal re-entry. We're told the incident remains under investigation right now.